Hey traders, Parker again with another indicator. This is the RSI with volume. As you can see, it's doing this. It's following trend. Basically, it's following the Heikin-Ashi trend, and it's giving you volume. This is uptrend with high volume. The green, dark green, is just low volume, and the orange is low volume. Bright red is high volume. This is a hammer candle. And this would be a great indication for anybody who's looking for the reversal here. And that's exactly what happened. In Steve Nielsen's book, Japanese candles sticks or charts, that's where he talks about the hammer candle in a downtrend. And you wait for the reversal and you get in above the high of this candle and you use the low of the candle as your risk. So if you get in right here, let's see, that high is 25.33 and you're risking that low is 22.33. So you're basically risking $2. Let me say $3 because 22, yeah. So you're risking $3 here if that candle breaks down. But it didn't break down and you got high volume, and you, as you can look at the RSI, it's breaking back above oversold. So that's another trick that strategy that a lot of traders use. They wait for RSI to break above oversold, and then you have the 50 line here. You have any other RSI, they're not gonna have a 50 line. I usually use a 50 line as an indication of getting in a stock, especially if I look at anything above 50 as being positive momentum. Anything below 50 is a break in momentum and to the downside. And anything, especially when it breaks above here, breaks above oversold, and if it breaks down below overbought, I usually look at it as a neutral. But once it breaks 50, it's pretty much done from there. And this is that side LGVN, and I can push it down to a lower time frame to get another idea. It works on all the time frames. I believe this is the same thing. Let me get rid of those lines, clear that stuff out, and it's giving you the same thing. You have a quiet period, and a lot of times they say this is an area of consolidation. It's quiet, and then you have that bright green candle come along, and that's when volume came in. Another quiet period, consolidation, then a break above, quiet, quiet, and you almost had a break down, but as you can see, RSI didn't break below 50, and it kept on going back up with the trend. And like I said, the volume is in this one, and that's what you really need. You can trade without volume and just be a price action trader, but I believe volume must be in there, and using the RSI with volume really give you an edge as well. It paints the colors. Right now I have mine set at exponential, and or we can go back to the Wilders and we can put it back on close. If you don't want the paint bars, it doesn't have to. And you can change all the colors and stuff, whatever you want to represent. Up signal, down signal. You can change the color of this as well. So we'll make that white. And if those colors bother you, sometimes they bother me. And I come down here and I would change this to pink. I would change this to white, and I would change this to this blue color. And a lot of times that gives me a break with my eyes. And sometimes you can have too many colors on the screen. And it's representing the same thing. The blue is the low periods. The white is the bright period. I mean, it's It's the high volume periods. And if you don't like white, change to cyan. And there you go. And once again, this is RSI with volume. If you like if you like what you see, leave me a like, or if you have some comments or anything, leave me a comment. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to the channel, and you'll get the anytime I put out new indicators. I really appreciate you guys watching this. I really appreciate your feedback as well when it comes to these indicators or anything that you would like to be created. Thanks. Have a great night.